Okay, there we go. I put a lot, but that's okay. And they are so good when fried. So I'm gonna turn them around so that they are good on the other side too. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Turn around. Have you heard that song? I don't know the words. Turn around. It's in a commercial, which I don't remember. So we're gonna make it my color tone. Since I made the choice to fry the bananas. Yep, it's bananas and it's so good. If you know, you know. It's going down at the kitchen. Yay! Everybody stand around. Just about now. There are many, but the more the merrier. Slow, surely so slow, but sure. Meanwhile, I am crunching on the ones I made. So good. Better than potato chips. Better. Look at that. We are going for golden brown and crispy a little. Golden brown. If you know, you know. You are the word of the beginning. To where we let it go most high. You grace in creation. That used to be my drum. I still think it is, because I know the lyrics. It's now redeemed in you, my Christ. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing could come against. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus. You got no rather. You can no equal. Now and forever as I reign. Yours is the kingdom. Yours is the glory. Yours is the name above all names. What a powerful name it is. These are so good. Alrighty, look at that. Golden. Very ready to be eaten. I guess I am still the queen of this kitchen. Because guess what? Look at that. Ooh, dough. So good. Yep, I am into food. I am. You could tell. You could tell, tell. You could tell. You could tell, tell. You could tell. Alrighty. There we go. There we goes. Ta-da!